Life is grim at the factory, under the rule of the bourgeoisie. When no one's watching, you make a fist and shake it at those capitalists. His name is Karl Marx and his real concern, the money you get's less than what you earned. Between rich and poor, there's a schism. He thinks he can fix it with communism. He wants to improve your way of life. Sick and tired of hearing people say, nobody likes a commie. Nobody likes a commie. He says society needs a reconstruction where we all share the means of production. So to get our equal resource, come on comrade, rise up in force. We'll all have our fair share of moolah when we overthrow our tyrant rulers. I can't see how this could go wrong. Pol Pot, Joseph Stalin, Mao Zedong. He wants to improve your way of life. He's sick and tired of hearing people say, nobody likes a commie. Nobody likes a commie. Nobody likes a commie. Nobody likes a commie.